So Kenyan business operators have called for the harmonization of the tax regime across East African community. This, they say, will encourage and grow cross-border trading across the bloc, whose trading stands at a paltry 15%. Dennis Otieno has more.
In recent years, East African Community EAC has witnessed remarkable economic growth and development. However, one significant challenge remains: the lack of harmonization in the tax regimes across the region.
If we can be able to harmonize the tax regimes in our individual countries, then definitely we'll have better trade, and one trader will not get an undue advantage over the other. So whether they are going to bring it at 16 or 18%, of course that's the discretion of the individual countries.
Speaking during a stakeholder engagement on cross-border trade in the EAC, organized by the East African Legislative Assembly, EALA, manufacturers blame the differing tax laws for causing delays and increasing costs for businesses.
If we all consider that maybe a company which is registered in one country within the EAC has the equal right as a company which is registered in the other country as well, will have that national treatment, and goods will indeed move freely, and we'll be able to realize the freedom of movement of goods and services within the community.
Legislators called on the need to streamline the tax policies to create a more conducive environment for businesses.
The issue of harmonization of domestic taxes is an issue that is to deal with the customs union and the common market. So what we are saying is we have to conclude our business.
Intra-African trade is currently at 15% compared to an average of 62% amongst European and Asian countries. Other hurdles pointed out during the meeting included corruption and non-tariff barriers. The call to harmonize the tax regime was echoed by the East African Business Council, which is looking to grow intra-regional trade in the bloc to 40%.
We are pushing as the ABC to have a green rain for goods produced within the region. It should not should enjoy free circulation. It should move quickly across borders. Should not be mingled with imported goods, so that we are able to disaggregate what is produced within the EAC and what is coming from outside.
Dennis Otieno, Citizen TV.